मैं बहुत सारा रोमांस कर रही हूँ पिक्चरों में मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे क्रच होते थे राइट आई वुड हैव सम काइंड ऑफ अ डायलेक्ट मेरे पास कॉस्ट्यूम होता था आई एम सो अवे फ्रॉम भूमि इट्स ट्रूली tough convincing people that you are in love with a stranger.
So it's pretty much picking on what Ishan also mentioned, that this is the closest for you. The character is closest to you as a real person, and everybody knows that you come with a sense of fierce attitude and having an opinion as a person, as an actor, and that also transcends to this character as well. बट कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है और कितना ईजी हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो हैव योर सेट ऑफ नोशंस विच के नॉट गो बियॉन्ड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड एट द सेम टाइम somehow बैलेंस दैट एक्ट.
Honestly, while filming for Royals, I realized that I'm so sorry that I don't really have. कई बार होता है ना, जैसे मैंने जिस तरह के किरदार किए, I'm going to keep switching between English and Hindi. मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे क्रच होते थे राइट आई वुड हैव सम काइंड ऑफ अ डायलेक्ट मेरे पास कॉस्ट्यूम होता था आई एम सो अवे फ्रॉम भूमि आई नेवर हैड टू डील विद माई इनहिबिशंस व्हाट आई एम अनकंफर्टेबल अबाउट मे बी विद माई सेल्फ through my characters. And there was a lot of comfort when I did that. When I was playing Sophia, she's so close to me. Her ideology, her faith, the things that she believes in, her passion, her want, she has fire. And I think I have a lot of fire within me. She stands for what's right. And I think over there, I constantly had to just be at ease with who I am and be comfortable with the fact that there would be aspects of Bhumi that would be in Sophia, and that is okay. I had to make peace with the fact that the audience might see a very real part of me. And I tried battling ki nahi, kuch aur karenge, but I was like, it's okay. And I think that takes a lot of confidence and a lot of like prepping yourself that it's okay. It was actually therapeutic to me.
Bhumi and Ishan, I have questions for you all. Ishan, you mentioned that you are writing for passion these days.
Riding horses.
Okay.
Let me specify.
Yeah.
Writing,
Just
Which
saying.
is why I cross-checked. Also, Bhumi, I wanted to know from you that you mentioned that romance is. So this question is for both of you all actually. That you mentioned romance is rare, and even Tanya mentioned that we get to see a very few romances these days. As artists, who've played some very interesting roles and have quite an interesting filmography today at this day and age, why do you all think we as an industry have reduced the number of romantic films that we make?
No. मेरी तो
yeah,
But you're writing for passion now, so you must go first. That's what.
I'll write to you.
I in the 90s, if you look at some of our superstars, they all have made their careers in the back of romance. And I feel today that genre is just not taken seriously. It's truly tough convincing people that you are in love with a stranger. And it's tough business. I don't know why do people not write enough, but I feel like there are always seasons. एक सीजन चल रहा था, मुझे लगता है प्यार का सीजन अब वापस आ गया है बहुत. या ना, and you can clap louder. Because I feel like in the midst of all the testosterone and all the आप समझ गए, I think it'll be nice. It'll be a breath of fresh air for Royals to be here, and मज़ा आएगा. And I really hope Royals के साथ कहीं ना कहीं हवा बदले and और रोमांस लिखा जाए. मैं बहुत सारा रोमांस कर रही हूँ पिक्चरों में लेकिन I hope
ईशान,
that
आप क्या
answered your
कहना
question.
है?
सर मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कहते हैं कि फेजेस होते हैं, साइक्लिक होती हैं चीज़ें. हमने इतने सारे रोमांस देखे हुए हैं और इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं कि शायद कुछ नया था नहीं कहने को, या फिर शायद क्रिएटर्स को ऐसे लगने लगा, या ऑडियंसेस बोर हो गए. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गैप रहा है सिग्निफिकेंट गैप रहा है, इतना कि लोग मिस कर पाएं. लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं और लव स्टोरीज तो प्लीज़ यू नो गिव अस द encouragement and talk about it and push it out there. I think इस शो में ज़रूर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि एक नयापन तो है. आई थिंक देर इज़ सो मच मोर दैट मेक्स द रोमांस एक्साइटिंग देन जस्ट the chemistry in between. It's also the characters in the story, and it's a very very fresh take on you know, a royal and a commoner, and most people actually thought that this was maybe a period piece when, you know, there were early talks about royals, etc., etc. But I think that there is going to be a lot of freshness and newness to this. So maybe that's the reason. But मैं तो ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा. I've been saying for a long time that I want to be a part of love stories. I only got to do one tragic love story in the beginning of my career, and then it's been 7 years since. So I had a lot of fun. मैंने तो दिल भर के बहुत मज़ा लिया, and I think that this is testament to the fact that people want to see more.